Hey guys, check out my tower. So this is what I like to call progress. Do have some questions for Rose, however, is how come some of these plants seem to be turning yellow on the inside? That everything that was once very lush and green, you can see it right here. These leaves are looking pretty green and they're starting to yellow a bit on the inside.
It's Rose, and this time I'm answering a question from Lauren, who's finding that some of the plants in her NutriTower are turning yellow. And so this actually seems to be happening all around the tower, high, low, 360. So my first guess on this would be that there is a bit of a nutrient problem. So the best technique for that would be to top up the nutrient solution in the water. So, add a little bit more of that A and B and then examine the new leaves. If you've addressed the problem, then your new leaves should come out nice and green. If they're still coming out yellow, then you still have a problem with the nutrients, so you can either keep topping it up or actually take some pictures of the leaves and send them in so that we can take a closer look at them. There's some different nutrients that actually will play a role when it comes to hydroponic systems, and some of those cause yellowing in different ways. So you might see yellowing along the veins, you might see some splotchiness, and all of those can be attributed to different things, some of which have some easy home fixes. So if you top up that solution and are still seeing problems, send us in a picture and we can take a closer look at it and try to find a solution that works for you.